Hey guys, hi. This is Abhishek, Master Teacher of Physics at Vedantu. कैसे चल रही है मेरे बच्चों की जिंदगी? तो बच्चों अभी तो मैं बहुत ही अच्छी खुशखबरी के साथ आपके सामने आया हूँ. Can everyone see me clearly? Hi everyone, hi everyone. Thank you so much. Welcome to this session. तो फाइनली बच्चों CBSE 10 के 2021 बैच के लिए एंड CBSE 9 के 2021 बैच के लिए हमारा अपना सिलेबस रिड्यूस हो चुका है और दोनों के रिडक्शन बाहर आ चुके हैं 9th और 10th के दोनों का. एंड इट हैज हैपेंड फॉर ऑल दी सब्जेक्ट्स साइंस एंड मैथ्स एंड एसएसटी एंड इंग्लिश एंड एवरीथिंग. तो आज मैं आप लोगों को साइंस में जो जो रिडक्शन हुआ है वो बताने वाला हूं एंड आई विल कंपेयर बोथ ऑफ देम. है ना, यहाँ पे मेरे जो राइट हैंड साइड पे जो आपको दिख रहा है डॉक्यूमेंट वो पिछले साल का सिलेबस है, पिछले साल तक जो फॉलो होता था 9th एंड 10th के लिए. और ये जो मेरे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में सिलेबस है वो सिलेबस है हमारा नया सिलेबस जो आया हुआ है ड्यू टू दिस कोरोना वायरस एंड पैंडेमिक. जो नए सिलेबस आई हुए फॉर 9th एंड 10th स्टैंडर्ड के लिए आया हुआ है. ठीक है, तो हम दोनों को कंपेयर करेंगे बच्चों. ठीक है बच्चों, वी विल बी कंपेयरिंग बोथ ऑफ देम. ठीक है, विल बी कंपेयरिंग बोथ ऑफ देम की वो पुराना सिलेबस क्या आता है और नए सिलेबस में क्या है. बट ऑल इन ऑल इट्स अ वेरी गुड एंड अ हैप्पी न्यूज फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस. बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स को निकाला गया है, मैंने खुद अभी देखा इसके लिए. तो लेकिन मैं आपको फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथमेटिक्स नहीं फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजी में जो रिडक्शंस हैं दोनों आपको बताता हूं एक एक करके. ठीक है, ओके चलो. ओके, माइक प्रॉब्लम इज देयर. ओके, जस्ट गिव मी मोमेंट. ठीक है, जस्ट गिव मी मोमेंट पीपल, इट विल बी फाइन, डोंट वरी. माइक फाइन नाउ पीपल, ऑल गुड. अब आवाज ठीक है ना? कितने बच्चे आ गए हमारे पास? हमारे पास 600 बच्चे आ चुके हैं. ठीक है, वॉइस इज क्लियर नाउ? मजा आ गया? ठीक है एकदम. इट्स क्लियर? यस, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच. ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच. ओके, तो चलो बात करते हैं बच्चों. सो फर्स्ट आई विल स्टार्ट विद सीबीएसई 10th ग्रेड, उसके बाद मैं सीबीएसई 9th ग्रेड पे जाऊंगा. मुझे पता है कि दोनों बच्चे सेम ही हैं, तो मैं डिटेल में आपको बताऊंगा कि फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री और बायोलॉजी में ये तीन सब्जेक्ट्स में क्या क्या चेंजेस हुए हैं फॉर सीबीएसई 10th स्टैंडर्ड एंड सीबीएसई 9th स्टैंडर्ड. अगर आप चाहो तो इस वीडियो को शेयर भी कर देना. बहुत बहुत ज्यादा डिटेल बताने वाला मैं आपको एकदम क्लियर में. ठीक है, चलो अब मैं बताता हूं आपको क्या डिफरेंस है. कूल, ओके. अब देखो यहां पे ध्यान से, ऑल कूल पीपल, है ना? ठीक है, चलो यहां पे देखो. अभी मैंने अभी तक देखा नहीं है, मैं देखने के लिए जा रहा हूं. माइक प्रॉब्लम अभी भी है, लेट मी जस्ट हियर इट कि माइक का इशू है कि नहीं. सीबीएसई 9th स्टैंडर्ड, अगर आप चाहो तो इस वीडियो को शेयर भी कर देना. बहुत बहुत ज्यादा वीडियो बताने वाला मैं आपको एकदम. एक मिनट बच्चों, रुक जाओ. ओके, माइक इशू इज फाइन नाउ. ठीक है बच्चों, माइक अभी माइक इज वाइब्रेटिंग. आप देख लो माइक कैसी है. अब शायद ठीक हो गया होगा, है ना? अब ठीक है, चेक कर लेता हूं मैं एक बार. हाँ, अब ठीक है, बेटर है. बेटर ना माइक अभी, है ना? बेटर है, चलो ठीक है. अब इसको ध्यान से सुनना जो मैं कहने जा रहा हूं. माइक ठीक है, माइक इज फाइन. ठीक है, अब बेटर मेरे को लग रहा है. आवाज वाइब्रेटिंग हो रही है दोबारा. अरे यार क्या हो रहा है ये. जो मैं कहने जा रहा हूँ, माइक ठीक है, माइक इज फाइन. ठीक है, अब बेटर मेरे को लग रहा है. आवाज वाइब्रेटिंग हो रही है दोबारा. अरे यार ठीक, क्या हो रहा है ये. ओके बच्चों, तो माइक इशू जो है उसके साथ हम कर लेते हैं सेशन. ठीक है, जो माइक इशू उसके साथ कर लेते हैं हम. ठीक से, ठीक है, चलो लेट्स कंटिन्यू दैट. ओके, विल थिंक अबाउट द माइक इश्यूज लेटर. ओके, लेट्स गो ऑन फॉरवर्ड. तो यस, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजी इन डिटेल विल सी की व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस. फर्स्ट विल स्टार्ट विद सीबीएसई 10, देन विल कम बैक टू सीबीएसई 9. ठीक है, चलो अब देखो ध्यान से. तो अब मैं नीचे जा रहा हूँ, क्लास 10th में आते हैं पहले. ये तो मेरे ख्याल से क्लास 9th है, तो सीधा चलते हैं क्लास 10th पे, फिर क्लास 9th पे आएंगे. ठीक है, डरो मत, क्लास 9 बच्चों आपके लिए भी आने वाले हैं, चिंता नहीं. ये आ गए हम क्लास 10th के पुराने सिलेबस में. स्टार्ट करते हैं पहले केमिस्ट्री से. ठीक है, स्टार्ट करते हैं पहले केमिस्ट्री से. यहां पे भी हम आ जाते हैं पहले क्लास 10th पे. ठीक है, चलो ये आपका हो जाएगा क्लास 9th, फिर आ जाएंगे क्लास 10th प्रैक्टिकल्स, क्लास 10th. हाँ, ये आ गया क्लास 10th और ये आ गया केमिस्ट्री. ठीक है, तो देखते हैं केमिस्ट्री में क्या चेंजेस है। पहले दोनों साइड में मेरे को दिख रहा होगा केमिस्ट्री बिल्कुल है, तो मैं निकाल देता हूं अपने मार्कर को, देखते हैं। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद केमिकल रिएक्शंस का पार्ट, है ना, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद केमिकल रिएक्शंस का पार्ट एंड लेट्स सी। तो केमिकल रिएक्शंस में केमिकल इक्वेशन, बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन, इंप्लीकेशंस ऑफ अ बैलेंस्ड केमिकल इक्वेशन, ये चीजें हैं। केमिकल बैलेंस इक्वेशन, इंप्लीकेशंस हैं। टाइप्स ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शंस, कॉम्बिनेशन, डिकम्पोजिशन, सारे टाइप्स ऑफ रिएक्शंस हैं। हाँ, सारे टाइप्स के हैं, कोई भी रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं है, सबके सब हैं। तो यानी कि केमिकल रिएक्शंस और इक्वेशंस में कोई भी डिफरेंस नहीं है, देयर इज नो चेंज इन द ओल्ड सिलेबस आल्सो, न्यू सिलेबस आल्सो, देयर इज नो चेंज बिटवीन द फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ केमिस्ट्री, केमिकल इक्वेशंस एंड रिएक्शन में कोई भी डिफरेंस नहीं है। लेट्स लुक इनटू अवर सेकंड चैप्टर ऑफ केमिस्ट्री व्हिच इज एसिड बेसिस एंड सॉल्ट्स। ठीक है, इसको ध्यान से देखना। एसिड बेसिस एंड सॉल्ट्स में द डेफिनेशंस इन टर्म्स ऑफ फर्निशिंग ऑफ H पॉजिटिव एंड OH नेगेटिव सेम। General properties, examples and uses. General properties, examples, uses say same. Concept of pH scale. Concept of pH scale. Importance of pH in everyday life. Importance of pH in everyday life. Preparation and uses of sodium hydroxide bleaching powder. Preparation and use of sodium hydroxide and bleaching powder. Baking soda, washing soda and plaster of Paris. Same. So as I can see, acid, base and salts में भी कोई भी difference नहीं है. There is no difference between the reduction in the first two chapters of chemistry. ठीक है बच्चों, देयर इज नो चेंज, फर्स्ट टू चैप्टर्स आर सेम। दैट्स अ गुड न्यूज फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस, क्योंकि आप लोगों ने शायद पहले दो चैप्टर्स ऑलरेडी पढ़ लिए होंगे, तो अच्छी बात है कि उसमें चेंजेस नहीं हुई है, जो पढ़ा है वो बेस नहीं गया केमिस्ट्री में। अब चलते हैं तीसरे चैप्टर की तरफ। थर्ड चैप्टर इज मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स। मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स में चेंज है कि नहीं देखते हैं हम। ठीक है, मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स, ये है पुराना सिलेबस, वो है नया सिलेबस। ठीक है, मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स सेम। Reactivity series, formation and properties of ionic compounds. Reactivity series, formation and properties of ionic compounds. इसके बाद वहां पे कोई भी चेंज, वहां पे कोई भी टॉपिक नहीं दिख रहा होगा आपको, है ना। You can see that basic metallurgical process, corrosion and its prevention has been taken out completely from the new syllabus. यानी कि basic metallurgical process, corrosion और उससे रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स अभी आपके सिलेबस में नहीं है। ठीक है बच्चों, तो आई बिलीव कि आप लोगों ने देख लिया होगा। I could see that we have almost 1500 students right now looking into it. So yes, first two chapter chemistry no changes in CBSE 10, but the third chapter has almost 50% taken out. I can very clearly see, क्योंकि मेरे ख्याल से basic metallurgical process, corrosion and its prevention पूरा 50% थर्ड चैप्टर का लेती होंगी, वो पूरा निकल चुका है। Congratulations. अब और खुशखबरी आने बाकी है, क्योंकि कार्बन एंड इट्स कंपाउंड्स देखना, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट चैप्टर्स ऑफ योर केमिस्ट्री इन CBSE 10, कार्बन एंड इट्स कंपाउंड्स। Covalent bonding in carbon compounds, versatile nature of carbon and homologous series. यही आपके नए सिलेबस में covalent bonding in carbon compounds, versatile nature of carbon and homologous series. उसके बाद nomenclature नहीं है, functional groups नहीं है, difference between saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons नहीं है, chemical properties नहीं है of carbon compounds, इथेनॉल, इथेनॉइक एसिड नहीं है, सोप्स एंड डिटर्जेंट्स भी नहीं है। मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 70-80% ऑफ कार्बन एंड इट्स कंपाउंड्स को निकाल दिया गया है। 80% of fourth chapter, that is carbon compounds, has been taken out. Only you have covalent bonding in carbon compounds, versatile nature of carbon and homologous series. That's all we have, people. That's all we have. So non-metals and metals, third chapter. Carbon and compounds, fourth chapter of chemistry has been taken a lot of amount of reduction. I hope that is very much clear in front of you right now. Cool. Only 3 topics in carbon compounds, nothing else. Now let's move on to the last chapter of chemistry, which I believe is periodic classification. I don't think there is any difference in periodic classification. Anyways, we'll check it out. So periodic classification, CBSE 10th grade chemistry. This here, right? You can see periodic classification for CBSE 10th grade, new part. Okay. I think there is a small change, but I'm not sure of that. Let me just check. So CBSE 10th grade, periodic classification, need for classification, early attempts of classification of elements. Need for classification, early attempts of classification is there. Modern periodic table gradation in properties. Modern periodic table gradation in properties. Valency, atomic number, metallic and non-metallic properties. Valency, atomic number, metallic and non-metallic properties. Yes. So that means first, second and fifth chapter of chemistry has no changes. First, second and fifth chapter of chemistry of CBSE 10th has no changes in their syllabus. Almost 50% of the syllabus for metals and non-metals has been taken out, and 80% of carbon and compounds has been taken out of CBSE but first, second and fifth has no changes at all. Please note it down, people. For chemistry, there is no changes for first, second and fifth chapter. Now after this, people will get into the topic of physics, है ना? That there comes our topic. So physics topic for our, I think we should go for biology, then we'll come to physics. ठीक है? Let's go to biology. So biology should be in the new syllabus here. कहाँ गया? है? biology निकाल दिया? पूरा biology निकाल दिया? Chemical and properties, class 10th. हाँ, वर्ल्ड ऑफ लिविंग है, मेरे को पूरा बायोलॉजी निकाल दिया। ओके, वर्ल्ड ऑफ लिविंग लाइफ प्रोसेसेस से स्टार्ट करते हैं, ठीक है? लेट्स लुक इनटू बायोलॉजी नाउ। कूल, ओके। ओल्ड सिलेबस, लाइफ प्रोसेसेस टॉपिक्स, लिविंग बीइंग, बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन, रेस्पिरेशन, ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड एक्सक्रीशन इन प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स। आई थिंक लाइफ प्रोसेस हैज द सेम, लिविंग बीइंग, बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट, न्यूट्रिशन, रेस्पिरेशन, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, एक्सक्रीशन इन प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स। सो नो चेंजेस इन द लाइफ प्रोसेस चैप्टर. No changes. Similar to chemistry, first chapter of biology has no changes. Take it, note it down. Let's go on to second chapter, control and coordination. One of the most important chapters of biology. Let's see whether there is a change or not. Oh my God, people, there is a big change because in new syllabus there is no control and coordination only. The entire chapter has been taken out. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is really interesting. In the new syllabus, there is no control and coordination chapter itself. Is that an error? I don't think so. The entire control and coordination chapter has been taken out, people. There are 1,900 students waiting here, and I think you guys must be really happy about that. Entire chapter has been taken out. Control and coordination, entire chapter has been taken out. Interesting. Okay. I don't know whether that happened for physics chapter or not, any one of them. This is very interesting. Okay, let's look into the other one. Okay, let's look into the reproduction chapter. So second chapter do not exist. Second chapter do not exist, people. In biology, completely taken out. Okay, now let's go on to the reproduction chapter, one of our all favorite chapter. Okay, reproduction in animals and plants, asexual and sexual reproductive health need. Okay, reproduction in animals and plants, asexual and sexual reproductive health need. Methods of family planning, safe SEX versus HIV/AIDS, safe SEX versus HIV/AIDS, childbearing and women's health, So no changes in the reproduction chapter. Second chapter has been taken out completely. Third chapter, reproduction chapter, has no changes in CBSE 10th grade. Okay, let's look into the last topic, hereditary and evolution. And also there is one more topic, right? Management and resources of biology. We'll look into that later at the end. Okay. So hereditary and evolution in old syllabus, we have heredity, Mendel's contribution, laws for inheritance of traits. Okay. Heredity, Mendel's contribution, laws of inheritance of traits. Sex determination, brief introduction. Basic concepts of evolution has been taken out. The entire part of evolution has been taken out, and we can see that from the chapter's name itself. It was called heredity and evolution in the old syllabus. Now it is just called heredity. There is no concept of evolution. तो evolution का जो part था आपके chapter में उसको निकाल बाहर फेंको क्योंकि evolution है ही नहीं अभी आपके नए syllabus में. This is a huge change for biology. Chemistry में थोड़ा change लगा था मुझे, लेकिन biology में it's a huge change. One entire chapter missing. One entire chapter of control coordination is gone, people. And 50% of the fifth last chapter of biology has been taken out. Hereditary, we say 50% of evolution part has been taken out. That's for biology. 14th standard people. We'll be coming to 9th grade very soon once we have done with the physics now. Okay, we are going on to the physics. Let's see what has. So till now, people, are you guys happy? I can see there are 2,400 students right now. We have done chemistry already for CBSE 10th grade changes, and we have done biology changes for CBSE 10th grade now. Everyone happy till now? I'm going to look into the physics part now. Everyone happy? मजा आ गया? इसी चीज का वेट कर रहे थे ना दिनों से, इसी चीज का वेट कर रहे थे ना? बताओ कि नहीं? सच बताओ. ठीक है, अब मैं जाता हूं फिजिक्स बताने के लिए. Let's go forward for physics now. ठीक है, चलो. Okay, let's finally look into physics. This is the old syllabus, natural phenomena, and this is the new syllabus, natural phenomena. Let's see what are the changes. I have not seen yet. Let's see. Okay. Let's. I'm nervous. Okay. Reflection of light by curved surfaces, images formed by spherical mirrors, center of curvature, that is parts of mirror, I guess, mirror formula, magnification. Okay, let's see. Images, reflection by curved surfaces, images, center of curvature, that is parts of mirror, mirror formula, magnification. So there is no change in the reflection part of your chapter. यानी कि जो हमने मिरर्स पढ़ा हुआ है अभी तक हमारे चैनल पे, हमने मिरर्स कंप्लीट कर दिए हैं, उसमें कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं है. Let's look into the concept of refraction now. Okay, refraction, laws of refraction, refractive index, refraction of light by spherical lenses, images formed by spherical lenses, lens formula, magnification, power of a lens. Okay, refraction, laws of refraction, refractive index, refraction of light by spherical lens, image formed by spherical lens, lens formula, magnification and power of a lens. No changes in the major refraction part. Let's see what is the last part of refraction. Oh yes, so there is no change in the first chapter, people. There is no changes in the light chapter. Light chapter, no change. Light chapter में आपका कोई भी change नहीं है in CBSE 10th grade physics. ठीक है? There is no change in physics first chapter light. So that's a good thing because we are now currently studying light chapter in our YouTube and on YouTube right now with all of us are studying. So there is no change for physics first chapter, so it's good. I'm worried about electricity because we completed the electricity chapter completely on YouTube already on our channel. Let's see, we'll come on to that. But after light, human eye chapter comes in. Let's look into human eye. Old syllabus, human eye. Functioning of a lens in human eye, defects of vision and their corrections, applications of spherical mirrors and lenses. Eh? Oh, nothing there. There is nothing there in the new syllabus related to that, man. There is nothing there. So, oh my God, this is horrible. Why? Because defects of vision and structure of human eye were two important questions which used to come almost every year in CBSE 10 board. Now it has been taken out. I wonder what is going to be important from human eye chapter now. Okay, so people, structure of human eye is been taken out. Defects of vision and their corrections has been taken out completely. Applications of mirrors and lenses also has been taken out. What is left from human eye chapter is refraction of light through a prism, Laddu topic, dispersion of light, scattering of light, applications in daily life. That's all is left. That's all is left. Refraction of light through a prism, dispersion of light, scattering of light, applications in daily life. That's all is left. Defects of vision was a very important topic in board examination and that has been taken out. That means obviously these are the topics that are going to be important. This is very interesting. I could see now we have 3,000 students here right now today. Thank you so much, people. I really hope all of you guys are enjoying now this about it. Okay, so great. So that is the part of the first two chapters of physics. Almost 30%, not 30, actually 50% of human eye chapter has been taken. Matlab, human eye chapter is human eye and its colorful world. Human eye has been completely taken out. Only its colorful world is left. Okay, let's move on to all of our favorite chapter, electricity and magnetism. Let's see what is happening. Okay, so electricity, people, we are into electricity now. Oh, this is really hard for me because I've completed the entire chapter in the YouTube channel now. Okay, let's see. Electric current, PD, electric current, Ohm's law, resistance, resistivity, factors on which the resistance of a conductor depends. Okay. Electric current, PD and electric current, Ohm's law, resistance, resistivity, factors on which resistance of conductor depends. Oh, thank God. Major parts are not gone. Okay, next part. Series combination of resistors, parallel combination of resistance and its application in daily life. It's there. Oh, great. Series combination, parallel combination and its application in daily life. It's there. Heating effect of electric current and its application in daily life is there. Heating effect of electric current and its application in daily life is there. Electric power, interrelation between PV, I and R. Electric power interrelation between PV. Oh my God, thank God. So people, electric current, electricity chapter has not changed. That means whatever we have studied here on our channel remains absolutely relevant. Electricity से कोई भी चीज खत्म नहीं हुई है या तो change नहीं हुआ है. It is as same as that possible. Good news in a lot of ways that whatever we have studied has not gone waste. Bad news, electricity was a difficult chapter. I understand. It's okay. It happens. It's okay. Let's move on to the magnetic effects of current now. Magnetic effects of current, the fourth chapter of physics in CBSE 10th grade. Let's look into it. Okay, let's again get into magnetic effects. Okay, magnetic field lines, field due to a current carrying conductor, coil and solenoid. Okay, I think that is same. Yeah, magnetic field lines, current carrying conductor, coil and solenoid same. Force on current carrying conductor, Fleming's left hand rule, electric motor, electromagnetic induction. Okay. Force on a current carrying conductor, Fleming's left hand rule, electric motor, electromagnetic induction. Induced potential difference, induced current, Fleming's right hand rule. Okay, same. Induced potential, induced current, Fleming's right hand rule. Oh, you can see the topic end here. In the new syllabus, the topic ends there. But after that, I see electric generator, direct current, alternating current, frequency of AC, advantage of AC over DC, domestic circuits, all has been taken out. So the last part of magnetic effects, yani ki you do not have AC generator this year. Oh my God. That was again a very important topic. That means now magnetic effects of electric current has only two important topics. DC motor, one important topic, and the other comes out to be obviously your force on a current carrying conductor or your topic of a magnetic field around solenoid or coil. Interesting. So AC generator has been entirely taken out. Advantage of AC over DC has been taken out. Domestic electric circuit जो आपका last topic था उस chapter में, that also has been taken out. AC is not there, electric generator is not there, taken out. So a huge amount of reduction, I would say somewhere about 30% of reduction from magnetic effects has happened. 30% in magnetic effects, 50% is human eye, and let's see what is happening to sources of energy. Okay, let's go people. Sources of energy, natural resources जो हमारा last unit है, देखते हैं कि what is happening. Oh my God, people, you notice in the new syllabus, source of energy is not there. Source of energy has been taken out of your physics syllabus, and also in biology you had management of natural resources, that also has been taken out. That means biology has 4 chapters now, physics has 4 chapters now, chemistry also has 4 chapters now, I guess. Chemistry has 5 chapters. Reduction kahin hua hai. Oh my God, I think that is very clearly 30% reduction, very clearly, if almost 3 chapters are gone. Okay, only our environment is there, and all the topics of our environment is there, which I can see clearly. Oh sorry, biology has 6 chapters, no? So in that 6, 5 is left. Yes, our environment also comes in biology. This is interesting, this is really interesting. I could see now we have more than 3,300 students watching with us. So people, those were the changes when it comes down to CBSE 10th grade. I'll quickly recap all of this, then I'll go into CBSE 9th grade very quickly और देखेंगे कि उसमें क्या है, ठीक है? तो अगर किसी को भी कोई भी कंफ्यूजन होगा तो एक बार जरूर देख लेना हमारे इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो को दोबारा. You will have much more clarity, ठीक है? तो now I'm gonna go forward for CBSE 9th grade. CBSE 10th grade वालों, आपका काम यहीं पे खत्म हुआ. If in case you want to hear for CBSE 9th grade change also, you can sit back here. और अगर आपको कोई भी कंफ्यूजन हो दोबारा वीडियो देख लेना. मैंने फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी तीनों की चीजें बता दी हैं, और मैथ्स के रिडक्शन के बारे में बताने के लिए वेरी सुन हर्ष सर आपके सामने आ जाएंगे, तो चिंता मत करना, ठीक है? तो लेट मी गो वेरी क्विकली फॉर CBSE 9th ग्रेड. एक बार CBSE 9 का भी देख लेते हैं, उनका कितना अच्छा हुआ है, कितना बुरा हुआ है. CBSE 9th, let's start from chemistry again. This is CBSE 9 chemistry. Okay, let me bring CBSE 9 chemistry here. Okay, this is CBSE 9 chemistry, ठीक है? Okay, let's go forward people and quickly see. So I see in the concept of matter, nature and behavior. Nature of matter. Oh my God, this first entire part, definition of matter, solid, liquid and gas, characteristic, shape, volume, density, change of state, melting, freezing, evaporation, condensation, sublimation, उन सारे topics को यहाँ से निकाल दिया गया है. Oh my God. So the first unit में से ये सारे topics को directly निकाल दिया गया बच्चों for 9th standard chemistry, all in all together, completely. ठीक है? Now let's look into the next part. Nature of matter में से elements, compounds, mixtures, heterogeneous, homogeneous, mixtures, colloids, suspension, same. There is no change here. There is no change here. There is no change. No change in the nature of matter topic in chemistry. Moving on to particle nature and basic units. Atoms and molecules, law of constant proportions, atomic and molecular masses. Atoms and molecules, law of constant proportions, atom and molecular masses, mole concept, relationship of mole to mass of the particles and numbers, done. Same, there is no difference in the second chapter of chemistry as well. Moving to the third chapter, structure of atoms, electrons, protons and neutrons, valency, chemical formula of common compounds, isotopes and isobars. No changes. Electrons, protons and neutrons, valency, chemical formula of common compounds, isotopes and isobars. No changes in the first 3 chapters of chemistry in CBSE 9th grade. But the major topic of definition of matter and its processes, condensation, sublimation, evaporation, वो सारे topics को पूरा का पूरा निकाल दिया गया है. This entire topic is in there now. Cool people? So that is existing. Cool. Okay. Now let's move on to the biology topic for CBSE 9th grade. Let's move on to biology now. Let's see what is the changes in biology. Chemistry mein, I could see there is not much changes. Chemistry, I could see there is not much changes. I would say in the entire chemistry, somewhere about 20-25% is changed. Not much. So not much changes in chemistry for CBC 9. That might mean lot of changes would be there in biology and physics. Let's see. Okay, let's move on to cell basic unit of life. And in this, I can very clearly see cell as a basic unit. There, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, multicellular organizations. Yes. Cell membrane and cell wall, cell organelles and cell inclusions. Yes. Chloroplast, mitochondria, vacuoles, endoplasmic reticulum. Yes. Golgi apparatus, nucleus, chromosomes, basic structure of number. Yes. So there is no difference in the cell chapter. Biology ka first chapter remains intact. There is no changes in the first chapter. Let's look into the second one. Tissues, organs, organ system and organism. Structure and function of animal and plant tissues. Meristematic permanent tissues in plants. Cool. Any changes? No changes. Second part also remains absolutely same in biology for CBC 9 grade. There is no difference in biology for CBC 9 grade now. Moving on to the biological diversity topic. Health and diseases में भी आते भी हैं, ठीक है? Oh, okay. So big change in biology right now for CBC 9th grade. As you can very clearly see, the entire biological diversity chapter has been taken out. You can see very clearly the entire biological diversity chapter has been taken out. There is no biological diversity chapter. So biological diversity chapter has been taken out from biology of CBSE 9th grade. Good job, people. The I guess the third chapter of biology is completely eliminated, and that's why I said there will be huge changes in biology and physics then. I wonder what is going to happen in physics. Okay, let's see. Now let's go into health and diseases. I think since one entire chapter has been taken out, there should not be much changes in the last chapter also. So yes, I could see all the topics remain intact in the last chapter. Yes, there is no changes in the last chapter. Health and diseases, there is no change, no changes. So the first chapter, second chapter and the fourth chapter of biology has no changes in CBSE 9th grade, but the third chapter has been completely taken out. Now let's move on to physics, people. Let's look into our last subject of physics in CBSE 9th grade. And CBSE 9th grade का मैंने physics देखा है already, और जितना मैंने देखा है मुझे समझ में आया है कि there is no changes, there is literally no changes in motion chapter. Motion chapter remains completely intact. There is no change in the motion chapter. Similarly, there is no change in forces and Newton's laws of motion as much as I know. Yes, there is no changes in the second chapter as well. So physics में forces, motion and Newton's laws of motion, this first two chapters have no changes in them till now. Okay, now let's move on to the gravitation topic. Gravitation, there were two parts in gravitation, gravitation and flotation. Flotation part जहाँ पे Archimedes principle, thrust, pressure सब आती थी, वो सारी चीजें निकाल दी गई हैं. As you can see here, there was a flotation chapter part in the gravitation third chapter itself, which dealt with thrust and pressure, Archimedes principle, buoyancy, elementary idea of relative density. All this topic has been taken out from gravitation. So this topic is not there. That means from gravitation chapter, 50% of gravitation has been eliminated. That flotation part does not exist. Density, Archimedes principle, nothing exists. Now let's move on to the last, I think, fourth chapter of 9th standard, that is work, energy and power. In work, energy and power, as you can very clearly see, there are no changes. Yes. People, you can very clearly see there is no changes in work, energy and power. Literally no changes. Same to same. Work, energy and power, work done by a force, energy, power, kinetic, potential, law of conservation. Yes. Oh my God. Physics in CBSE 9th grade. Sound has been eliminated. Entire fifth chapter of CBSE 9th grade has been eliminated, people. Oh my God, the entire sound chapter of physics has been eliminated. One full chapter. So one full chapter from biology, one full chapter from physics has been eliminated in CBSE 9th grade. CBSE 10th grade बच्चों जिन्होंने अभी ज्वाइन किया है, मैंने इस सेशन के पहले 15 मिनट में CBSE 10 खत्म कर दिया था. आप वीडियो को देख सकते हो, चिंता मत करना, ठीक है? वीडियो को स्टार्टिंग से देख लेना. Now I'm talking about 9th. And what do I see? Sound chapter has been eliminated. So congratulations 9th standard people, well done. Okay, let's move on to the natural resources part, जहाँ पे कुछ टॉपिक होते हैं, and I see a lot of changes there as well. As you can see, people, the topic of physical resources remain the same. Physical resources है, biogeochemical cycles है, water, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, but food production has been taken out. Food production unit has been taken out. There is no topic of plant and animal breeding and selection for quality improvement and management, use of fertilizer, manures, protection from pests and disease, organic farming. ये पूरा का पूरा unit 5 को निकाल दिया गया है. There is no unit 5 in your CBSE 9th grade. Congratulations people, एक पूरा यूनिट को निकाल दिया, 2 चैप्टर्स को निकाल दिया. केमिस्ट्री बच गई वैसे, केमिस्ट्री 9th में भी 10th में भी आई थिंक पूरे टॉपिक को नहीं निकाला गया, राइट, बट बायोलॉजी और फिजिक्स में जरूर निकाला गया. So congratulations people, that was the syllabus for 9th and 10th grade. I really believe all of you guys enjoyed this. We'll try to put down these 2 documents, the old syllabus and the new syllabus, both of them in the descriptions below, so that you guys can compare by yourself as well. CBSE 10th grade, I have already compared this in the first 15 minutes of this particular video, and CBSE 9th grade the later 15 minutes. So thank you so much people, and within 20-25 minutes we have completed the entire syllabus change for PCB in 9th and 10th grade. Congratulations. I really believe you guys are happy with the reductions. Come on people, let me know quickly. You guys are happy? Are you guys happy with the reduction people? Are you guys happy with the reduction? Okay. For SST as well as for yeah, sound is cool now. थोड़ा सा ब्र है, बाकी ठीक है. ठीक है, you guys are happy? And I'm pretty sure कि SST English और मैथमेटिक्स के लिए हर्ष सर, शुभम मैम एज वेल एज श्वेता मैम आ जाएंगे आपको डिटेल में बताने के लिए क्या क्या चेंजेस हुआ है. ठीक है, या few of you guys are happy, few of you guys are not. Do let me know how many of you guys are happy and how many of you guys are not happy about the syllabus reduction in the comment section. Do not forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to the channel if in case you haven't. क्योंकि अभी से बच्चों हमारी कोई गलती नहीं है और हमने कोई गलती की भी नहीं है, क्योंकि हमने जो भी टॉपिक्स पढ़ाया है इस साल अभी तक उमंग 2 सीरीज में वो सारे के सारे आ रहे हैं. तो वी आर गुड टू गो विद दैट. अभी से जो आगे पढ़ाने वाले हैं वो हम नए सिलेबस में पढ़ाएंगे. सो वी आर गोना गो इन डिटेल विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ऑल दिस टॉपिक्स and we'll very soon come up with strategies to cover up all this entire syllabus in a new way as well. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel if in case you haven't subscribed. Hit the like button right now. I could already see that we are crossing 1600 likes right away, and I could see there are more than 3000 students right now here. Why haven't you hit the like button? You enjoyed, right? Hit the like button right now people, hit the like button right now, है ना? So do let me know in the comment section, do you guys favor this reduction or do you guys do not favor? If you favor, why do you favor? If in case you do not favor, why don't you favor? Do let me know. We'll try to have a really good debate on this as well. Okay? Okay, I could see we have reached 1800 likes right now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much people. So with that, I'll end the session right now. Thank you so much. You have been really great. Bye bye. Take care. Enjoy your life and all the best for your preparations. Bye bye.